maige mahoya-inĩ cukura wa Nairobi MC Chris na anake na airitu aria angi thiku ici uramona guku makiaria na ni mararia truth to power ni undu athamaki a Dagoni ti akenu gutiri undu uria ungikena ni mundu uria urakuingirira na akahana ta arera anduma kuringana nawe. Umuthi ni nyonire video ya cukura na video iyo ina manyingi muno na hiyo video it has a lot of wisdom in it. Na hiyo video atukiangalia ma comment o mundu ni aretikirania ati cukura ina statement. No video ni gwetire example igire ya gweta askofu witu na ya gweta ugi ya gweta Habakuku na ni mageririe muno kuringana na information ambayo niko nayo. Ni mageririe muno gu convince cukura aeze ku delete video yo na cukura arega ku delete video yo because cukura believed in himself. Hiyo nimekuja kuran baadaye after nimeongea na yeye baadaye kidogo ati cukura gauga ahoerwo tondu saisi ni kuhitwo akuhitwo atahitwo vibaya sana na kuambia already he is supposed to appear to DCI on Monday. He has been summoned kwa DCI on Monday Kasarani ati hena mwiritu uretwo waru inu araugire ni amuruma agani amwira ni ahoyaga mbeca Bruce Springsteen na kindu ta kiu cukura ni arathi ku Monday ona kungire na mawakiri ni magiro ni kwira cukura uthi ukaugo ama I don't understand because mtu akitukana mtu si unamfanyia demadrete na roya wako na nini mnakutana kotini. Not DQA, but I will tell you that people are being intimidated, especially these ones who are speaking up. Nitu kwenda tuhoere andu aya mundu reto MC Chris na dijui hata kinioge maneno lakini washa ni uborani maana ina rain na whatever I want to say. MC Chris thaici kuma muthenya uria twathire kwa Gacagua wathimu kuria marutaga kwa thimu merirwo hatutaki hii watu ya siasa ya one time hapa makiingatwo na wa imani witu matingienda njari ici no reki ndimwire maingatirwo gwa thimu ni undu wa guthie kwa Gacagua kuria na makirwo no ngirora mwena ungi mundu ta Habakuku aturaga State House aturaga ina gatuta muna sha na shi na sho na shu na ndira victimize karango ati ngwa karango agirwo ni gufutwo ku gwa thimu tondu nake emwe no cio ngi no njagirwo ni kuga atiriri o mukenya ena haki ya gusagura mwena uri ari na hakuna venye biashara inafai victimize wengine kwa sababu anachagua pande ambayo probably the owner hataki hiyo pande ichaguliwe na influencers wake. That was very wrong. That was very low. What if we tell our customer wetu na nyinyi washeni basi ukiendelia ndo akwa tutamu Johnny au ni wagoithia. I was not actually, nobody could address this. It is only me na nikio ndarakara kumenya matiri majira nginya umuthi ndaigwa taingi macamura makofi it is very wrong. It is very wrong. Nduka victimize mundu